Hello and welcome viewers to another segment of LiveExpertInterviews.tv. My name is Steve Young and thank you so much for joining us today. Today we're talking about a very important topic, and that topic is how to find a good dentist. And fortunately, joining us from Solana Beach, California is Dr. Michelle Sandler. Doc, thank you so much for joining us today.
My pleasure. Good to be here.
Well, fantastic. So Doc, the burning question really is, how does somebody find a good dentist? Maybe you can share like the top 3 things that you would suggest for someone to find a good dentist online.
For sure. That is a very, very good question, and it is a fairly simple question to answer. The best way to find a dentist is to really ask somebody that you trust and that you know who to go to. Normally, if they've been happy with that particular practitioner, they will do a good job for you. That being said, if you want to corroborate whomever it is that they sent you to, you have resources nowadays available to you online, particularly. You can check their reputation, make sure that most of the people that have gone to them have given them 5-star reviews. Very easy to do that nowadays. I'm sure that the public nowadays is pretty savvy in order to discern whether some of the reviews are not. And in my mind, the best way to really find a good dentist is once you've done the steps above, is really go and interview the dentist. Go into the practice. Have them go and show you the office. Have them go and meet the doctors. In essence, you're interviewing this practitioner to be your provider, and you want to establish a trusting relationship. And anybody who is a good practitioner who wants to have new patients in their practice and who wants to provide well for you will be glad to do that.
I love that advice, Doc. That is some very sound advice. So first of all, just let me recap real quick. Number 1 is word-of-mouth referrals. We all know that's the best way. If you don't have a word-of-mouth referral, go online. Look for somebody locally to you. Look for their reputation and reviews and what other people are saying about them. Preliminary, that's your preliminary research. And then the in-person, make an appointment. Go down there, meet with the doctor, meet with them in person, and ask them the questions to make sure that they're a good fit for you. Does that sound about right?
That sounds about right.
I love it, Doc. Well, look, let me ask you this. If someone was looking for a good dentist and they came to your office, what type of an experience would they have at your office?
Well, I think that what they will find is that our office keeps a very, very friendly environment. We have a very clean facility, a very happy, friendly staff to make you feel at home and at ease. The whole goal for our office is to have you become a member of our family, our extended family, and you would be getting treated like royalty. I mean, we really love our patients. We emotionally invested in them, and we want to make sure that we see our patients coming and going. We want to always see our patients come back to us.
I love that, Doc. So that's great, great information right there. So regardless of if they're coming to your office or somebody else's office, they should meet with the doctor, get a good feel for the doctor. If they did come to your office, they're going to have that family experience, and that's what everybody wants in the end. They want to be treated like family. They want to be taken care of. I love that. Now, Doc, let me ask you, because of your years of experience in business, if you don't mind, just share a little bit of information on why your practice is a little bit different from the other practices, other dental practices, in your area.
Well, we bring along with us a lot of experience. We moved into the area from the Boston area, as a matter of fact. We have a lot of cosmetic expertise. I started doing a lot of the cosmetic dentistry when it was in its infancy, so I've had the luxury of seeing it progress through the year. I'd like to think that we have a lot of very, very happy patients that come back again, time and time again to us, and they refer their friends and family to us. And we really strive on giving you the best that we have to offer. Every time you come in, we put our best effort to ensuring that you are very well taken care of.
That's one of the things that I liked when we first talked a little bit, Doc, because you said you focused on results and getting your patients the results that they're looking for. And I think that's one of the things that really stuck out in my mind.
Absolutely. It's very important. Another thing that I would recommend too is have whomever dentist it is that you see, show them a portfolio of the work that they have actually done. There are a myriad of stock photos around on the web. People can actually, pull out from that to show people, but make sure that the pictures they show you are actual cases that they have done. I think that that speaks more as to their expertise. And also, I think you can get a feel for who has the eye, and if you want to, you can even ask them to have them talk to a patient that you have rebuilt or that the dentist has done over, and see what they have to say about how the experience was, because everybody's experience is very different, and you want to ensure, I mean, at least in our office, we try to ensure that not only are you comfortable, but that the results are there for you.
I love that. So, Doc, I know you mentioned you do some special things for new patients. What exactly is it you do for new patients?
Well, the thing about new patients, the most important thing about our new patients is that we have to get to know the new patients so that when they come, they're no longer new patients. We spend an enormous amount of time, especially on the first visit, to get to know these patients. We review the x-rays along with the patient, explain all their conditions to the patient, make sure that they understand what is happening in their mouths. If there are any issues, how are we going to resolve these issues? Do I have options to resolve these issues? So our initial visit, instead of being, the hygienist, get the clean, then have the dentist come in and just take a quick look-see and see what's going on, you will actually spend about an hour plus time with the doctor, and we will make sure that you walk out of here knowing exactly what's going on and how to get you in the best possible oral health available.
I love it, Doc. I love that personal attention and the thoroughness that you do on that first initial visit. Well, there you go, viewers. If you're looking for a dentist online, take the doc's advice. She listed a whole bunch of things that you can do to find a great dentist. If you're anywhere near the Solana Beach, California area, make sure you look up Dr. Michelle Sandler to help you with all of your dental needs. Doc, I want to thank you so much for joining us today.
Well, my pleasure. It's been fun.
Absolutely. Viewers, we'll see you on the next segment of Live Expert Interviews.tv.